Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos.
Okay, everyone got their paper and pencils ready? Okay, let's draw a boy and a girl. Okay, so if you guys remember, we draw everything with very simple shapes. So let's draw a circle for the head. A rectangle for the body. 2 rectangles for the legs. Circle for the feet. Rectangle for the arms. Circle for the hands. So that's really easy, right? So that's the basics of drawing any kid, right? Let's also give them eyes and a nose and a mouth. Okay, so between boys and girls, it's just really the hair and the clothes. So let's draw a boy first. And we can maybe give him the hat. So let's draw our circle for the boy, head. Do the square for the rectangle for the body. We can make him maybe walking this time. We can do these rectangles. We can do the eyes, nose, and mouth. And then we make those curved rectangles for the arms. Circle for the hands. Okay, and then you can give them whatever kind of haircut you want. So maybe we can do hair like this. You can give them whatever kind of haircut you want. And then you connect it, and then you can draw the clothes on top of it. Okay, the eyebrows.
Now if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.